Hello, this is Erik Dalton at the Freedom from Pain Institute, and I'd like to welcome you to my Myoskeletal Alignment Techniques channel. Here you're going to find over 200 manual therapy training videos dating back 15 years when YouTube was still in its infancy. So most of the video clips are taken from my nationally approved online home study courses available at erikdalton.com. That's ERIKDALTON.com. And some of the clips are from live workshops. So together you're going to get a sense of what me and my teachers present in a workshop format. So in 1994, I started sharing this multidisciplinary approach through workshops and home study programs. And today this therapy is taught in universities and workshop format throughout the world. Myoskeletal techniques can be utilized by massage therapists, physiotherapists, sports therapists, chiropractors, and pretty much all forms of manual therapy. So in these training videos, you're going to learn the importance of technique development, clinical reasoning skills, and how to better understand pain from an evidence point of view, the new stuff. I'm a believer in lifelong learning, and I've studied with some of the leading names in the areas of physical medicine, including Dr. Ida Rolf, renowned osteopath from Michigan State College of Osteopathic Medicine, Philip Greenman, and neurological researcher from Prague, Czechoslovakia, Dr. Vladimir Janda. I'm also a lifelong member of the International Association for the Study of Pain and affiliate faculty member at Indiana State University's Applied Medicine and Rehabilitation Department. I'm dedicated, I'm passionate, I love this stuff. But my therapeutic background and my true passion is still in what I put together from massage, Rolfing, and osteopathy. This is stuff you take into your practice on Monday morning and start doing these techniques to help your clients. We all need that. So our goal at the Freedom from Pain Institute is to offer the latest evidence-based hands-on work that'll make you the go-to therapist in your community. Now, if you wish to take a deeper dive into mat therapy, we offer a very popular 210-hour Master Myoskeletal Therapist certification that'll introduce you to a cool new group of like-minded therapists. We have over 100 MMTs right now. And it's going to upgrade your skill set to drive new referrals into your practice. And that's real important. You got to get out there. We got to get out there and help people. It's an alien population we have out there right now. So without further ado, welcome to my channel, and please spend some time looking through the videos. I hope you'll discover a unique tool or two that might enhance your hands-on work and the lives of your clients and patients. Thanks a lot. Erik Dalton.